In our previous class, we had seen how to create the Redwood-based application, and it is matching with the other Redwood templates or the guidelines of Oracle. Now, you might ask, we have created an application, but we want to show the name of our customer at the top instead of the page name. In order to add the logo of customer or the name, what we can do is we can go to Customize, go to Edit Logo. So here we can select whether we want to add the text, image, or both. We can go first for text and we can tell this is for the Beenum Learning and click on Save. So it will reflect immediately the changes what you do, because as we discussed in our earlier class, theme roller comes very handy, and the changes what we apply, we can see in live the changes what we do with the theme roller, and we can either save or undo the changes. I will click on again the edit icon and select this time the image only and select the image. I will select from my local system. I will select this logo, click on open and click on save. Our logo is visible over here. Suppose I select image and text both I need, then we can provide the name over here and the image. Click on save. So like this, we can show the name as well as logo of our customer over here, which looks very neat and clean when we build any applications for a customer. Also, we can change the app icon. Click on the edit app icon from the customize. Earlier, we selected this. Suppose if you have any other icon, we can just select the icon and we can change it over here. Suppose the icon also, I want to put it my logo. I click on save. Now the logo will change for our application. So it will be visible in the browser tab as well as in the application. Let me just go back to my application over here and go to app builder. Our application will look like this. So we can have our own image as an icon for our application.